Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're gonna test this beautiful Roncilio Silvia espresso machine. It comes to us with like almost clogged from everywhere, needs tune up, a lot of coffee built on the group head, and the gasket was like when I touch it gets broken right away. It's not gasket anymore, it's became like really hard. So I replaced the shower screen and clean up the whole machine, descale it, deep clean for the steam wand, and even the porter filter was like in weird shape, so I really clean it. It became like really nice and clean. So let's go ahead and test it, make a espresso shot of it. For that I like to heat up the blue head for bed. Looks is giving a really great shot. Had like really great shot with thick cream on it and tasty. So let's go ahead and test the steamer. It needs a bit to get hot. That works perfect. Let's do the hot water too. So the hot water works perfect too. So all the functions in this machine works perfect. Thank you for watching.